Hey everyone, welcome back to Adventures with Edna. I'm Chris. Chance to be back later today. Today is day 11 without power and water. I don't know when the end is coming. There's generators running everywhere. I think he's got a generator. I know he's got a generator. And down the street they've got generators. So it's kind of noisy out here. We don't have a generator. Anyway, today is Monday. And if you've been following the channel for a while, you know that we put out a new video every Monday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm sure some of you guys tend to watch it right around then. We get most of our views typically within the first 24 hours, so I don't want to disappoint. That being said, it is currently Monday at 10:30 a.m. I still don't have this video recorded, so today I got to record this, edit this, and get it uploaded with no internet in less than 6 hours, which the upload is going to be probably the harder part because that takes forever. I'm completely out of Adventures with Edna shirts. Laundry, no water. We're going to do a simple video today. Edna is actually running terrible right now, and the more I drive her, the worse she is getting. I have a feeling it's going to be a carburetor rebuild, but we're not going to get into that today because we're lacking on time. And I had to spend yesterday working on Venom. The BMW was not running good. I had to get it going first. So today we're going to just do a simple project. We're going to replace the door checks. I'm sure that you remember in a few videos back when we had to fix one of the windows on Edna, we mentioned that the door check on this side, the rubber is completely gone. So we have new ones of those. We're going to replace those. There are no other videos that I could find on YouTube on changing these, so hopefully this will help some of you guys out. So let's get started. So this is what it does with no door check. Hopefully you guys heard that because it was loud. So our door check actually is right there. So we got to remove this rivet, and the rest of it's inside the door. So we got to pull the panel off. At least we get to hide in the shade a little bit. Then you guys have this in here. Some kind of weird splotch of sound deadening. I don't know if this is factory or if somebody added this at some point. All right, now that we have our door panel off, the plan is to drill the rivet right here. We're going to steal our battery. We're lacking on batteries. We're getting no power. That's the wrong way. I don't think the drill bit we're using is big enough. We gotta get another one. Be right back. Alright, let's see if this one works a little better. Alright, that feels gone. Let's see how to push it up and through. Unless it's just loose now. Nope. I guess maybe if we pull the door up a little bit, it'd take the tension off, at the very least. Guess I need something to push that up and through. Hang on. I might need something else. There. I got a punch and a small hammer. Maybe we need a punch and a bigger hammer. Nothing is happening. That just sounds lovely. Maybe I don't have the whole lip off yet. I don't think that's the case. Maybe. There we go. All right. It's out. So that should come out of there. And what's left of the check is out. So now we have some nice new ones right here. Got these from LMC. And basically, you just reverse the process. So this one was like this. Wait a minute. Maybe it was like that. Yeah, I think it was like that. So all we have to do is reach back inside the door, run this through, like that. See, the old one was missing the rubber, so we got a nice new piece of rubber, whole new check arm. We'll slide that back through here. Came with a new rivet. Now, there seems to be a real lack of what do I do with these online. So we're going to wing it, because I don't have a special rivet tool for this style rivet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a ball peen hammer on the bottom of it and hammer it from the top. And hope that works. Is it peening over? I don't know. Let's proceed. Does it come back out? Doesn't feel like it. It does feel kind of tight. Yeah, you can feel over here-ish that some lip has formed. Let's see if we can get you guys in there. Positive lippage. Something's happening. Let's hit it a couple times more for good luck. My theory behind this method was just that this is somewhat round and it would make the edges peen over, hence ball peen. But see, now we got a nice bounce with the new rubber when we open and close the door. That's much, much nicer. Let's get our door panel back on. Move to the other side. So this side's actually fine. I'm not having any issues out of it. But if that was the original door check bumper on that side, then this one is definitely not far behind. So we might as well do it at the same time. This screw always wants to come out for some reason on both sides. Just that one. So we're going to do the same thing. Swap our grill back over. Grill this out. Apparently that one didn't need to be drilled because it popped right up. Well, we might still need the punch though. I guess now we'll just do the same thing. We'll pop it out, push it through. Yeah, this rubber was for sure not going to last much longer. All right, so let's get our other door check in. All right, it goes that way. They're kind of left and right. I mean, they're both the same, but one goes on one way and one goes on the other. So we just stick this one back through, pull our door forward, put in our pin. Just like so. We'll get our hammers for our peening. Feel anything? Yeah, it's starting to peen over on the one side. I mean, it's not super even, but it's working. Doing what we can with what we got. Oh yeah, it's in there now. So now, oh yeah, got a little bounce to it now. All right, let's get our panel back on. That was a simple little project, small improvements. Sometimes little things can make you feel a lot better about your vehicle. Lots of little rubber parts on this thing are 75 years old, so we're replacing what we can when we can. So that's going to be a lot nicer. Plus, since Chance's door hangs down when we're in the driveway, it won't swing open and make that noise anymore. So that's a good improvement. Now, I got to find some internet somewhere so that I can get this video edited and uploaded. I still have, oh, it's almost 11, so it didn't take that long at all to do this. So I still have 5 hours to get this video edited and uploaded and out to you guys so you can see it on time. I'm going to address this carburetor issue and getting Edna running right again, because we can't have adventures if Edna's not running right. I'm going to work on that later this week, so I might have another midweek video working on that project. So anyway, don't forget, adventures are everywhere. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.